ऐसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं ये लो ऐसा नहीं
तो ठीक है
ऐसे चलेगा घुमा के ये
aged 15 years of age, and I had given him carcinosin 200, and he didn't responded well. And I thought of doing the re-case taking, and he came for the consultancy, and he came with his mother and father. The observation was he was very shy and he was looking down. And I asked the question, tell me everything in detail. The father speaks, and and the father said he's full of activity without concentration in studies, and he likes to play every kind of sports, especially jumping, and got first fight in high jump and long jump. So that was the very essence of the case, where he was very sporty in doing things but lack of concentration, and this was a case of having lack of concentration. And so this was the understanding at that time, and we did a repetization, and the repetization was done, and this was the activity mind desire for and mind anger violent, and he was very violent in his anger also. So let me see here. uh, so what is the basic nature of the child? As such, he is very obedient child, but worrying part is his ambition, and if he fails there is a big problem. And another problem is calculation in mathematics, and it is the headache for him, and this is the main reason to come to you. And he is going to take mathematics for 10th standard. So the basic he was not good in the mathematics, and he was not able to concentrate, and he failed in 10th standard. So that was the worrying point, and he was not able to concentrate, and that's the thing. And then I asked to the mother, pointing the mother at something. So she said that he is very attached with me, and he has fears with his father, and his father dominates him about his career and about the sports. And because he is a very sporty person, the father, and that was the history we got, and we did an repetization, and we got this rubrics where mind, ambition, ambitious, mind, mathematic, calculating, and enough for and mind attached very to mother. So he prize भी नहीं मिला तो he thinks a lot. That is the basic concern for him, and also the concentration. So that's why they had come the dream. So they said about the dream, pointing to the patient, what are your dreams? I have asked the boy this question after sending the pairing outside the waiting room. उनको बोला कि आप दोनों जन बाहर बैठिए, मैं उसको कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ. So he said, okay, I have many dreams, and dreams are of getting failures. This is very important. Of getting failures, and getting bad marks in mathematics, success in any of my dreams. That was very characteristic about his dream. So observation, he was not able to express his feeling easily, and this is the reason in his real life I have a fear of lot of failures. For example, losing a race, falling from the height, getting very bad marks in mathematics, and he was not able to get any kind of success. So in real life, he used to fight, and lot of fear about the father. That is very important in many Moscas case. If you see Moscas, I have seen in my 20 years of practice almost 10 cases of Moscas where common is the domination, and that's what the reason to prescribe carcinosin. And in some cases, we prescribe Silesia about the conscientious part, but this part has to be cleared off in many Moscas cases. So This was done, and the rapidization was done. The dream many, success nothing, express difficult, fear of father, and we have this rapidization. Dream many, dreams success nothing, express oneself difficult, and fear father of. And we did a totality, and this is the totality. Now dream many, dream success nothing, unable to express, fear of father, mathematic calculating, inept for, very attached to mother, and he was very jumping. So he got good prizes in long jump and short jump, and he is very violent in anger, and he does lot of activity. This is in very short about the Moscas case. It took me almost 2 to 3 hours of understanding this Moscas case. It was very, very difficult. Every Moscas case is not the spoiled case, what Kent says. So there is an expression to the Moscas case where we even see the conscientious side of Moscas. मतलब सीधे साधे भी होते हैं जहाँ अपने फादर से डरते हैं और डोमिनेशन उनके लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. So that is also important shade of Moscas in many of the case. So we'll see the Moscus mostifera. This is the Moscus, uh, the musk deer. A very interesting part. It is the very primitive part of the deer. They are not cervid because cervid is different than the Moscus. Now this is the classification, very important classification. The kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, and class is Mammalia. Last time Mammalia का थोड़ा बताया था मैंने आपको. This is Chordata, this is Mammalia, and this is Artiodictyla. Now Artiodictyla comes from the word arterios, which means even toe. You can see this toe of the Artiodictyla. This is the hoof animal, Artiodictyla. This is how we should identify Artiodictyla. Now Artiodictyla, we have even toes, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया. There are deers, giraffe, camels, and many such animals. And now this Richard Owen has given the word Artiodictyla, and they are ruminants. Now एक बात मैं बताना चाहूँगा, ruminants means अपना जो खाना होता है वो ऊपर लेके आना और chewing करना. Is also important of the cases. Just a second, because I have changed my laptop. Wait, वीडियो चालू कर देना. इनमें जरा 2 मिनट करना. वीडियो इज very important video we have. Slides से पाँच हो ना. वीडियो स्टार्ट कर देना. वो हॉर्न जो तो मस्त है. कहते स्टार्ट करेगा वीडियो. करो वीडियो. इकडो अलग लीव ना करे. वीडियो को भी वीडियो है ना. हॉर्न जो वीडियो है ना. यूट्यूब में जाए. Can you hear the voice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, sure. Mhm.
Subscribe my YouTube channel AJ3006.
Now the essence of musk deer moscus is they are the most endangered species, and they have this uh, flank which comes out like a vampire, and they are very small. They eat lot of lichen, and they are different from the regular deer. That's what I wanted to show from the video, but this as I've changed my laptop, so there is a problem. So that's the thing. We'll come back to the slide. So basically they are very बंद करेगा ना. ये ruminants दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Then comes the
Yes,
picora.
sir.
Now this picora is also a subdivision of this musk deer. This is picora, the livestock, and this is very primitive deer. Now regular deer से वो बहुत primitive होता है, वो मैं आपको बताना चाहता था, but that's unfortunately this doesn't open. Now this is musk deer. Now musk deer is to anyone is muscus, and they are different from cervid. Now this ये remember करना, cervid is very important part of the musk, and they have preputal sac, and these are the type of musk deer. And this is alpine musk deer, black musk deer. What is important is the androsterone, because they secrete lot of pheromones, and pheromones is responsible for the sexual changes. So in muscus cases, we also see the developmental problem also, and it is also used, this androsterone used for anticonvulsive. So certain epileptic cases we'll see from this part, and this is important of pheromones. That also we see in lac felinum also pheromone. Adai ra rec felinum. So lac felinum and muscus has this secretion of pheromones, and they secrete perfumes. So it is a animal remedy. Preputal sac is very important, and we see sudden anger, these sudden fits of anger, even stabbing someone. They are very hypochondriacal. They are very hysterical. Hysteria in man, we have moscus, sumbul and crocus. ये याद रखना. Crocus कल हमने लिली फ्लोरेसी किया था ना, उसके साथ आएगा ये. they have problem with digestion, asthma, and shamelessness is also the rubric. Now, how to differentiate between spiders? Spiders are very deceitful and they cheat. The very essence of mosquitoes is the fainting part. They have fear of death and talk of death also because the center part is the nose, the neck, and the throat. Because prey and predator, when we have an animal case, we have to differentiate whether the patient is prey or a predator. This is the point of differentiation. They see dreams of catching train. These are the many other cases of mosquitoes. They see the dream of shameful. They have foul flatulency. They have diabetes में बहुत important medicine है with impotency. They have choking. They have sleepless night. Is pampered child. They are very spacious. Now, very important part of mosquitoes is as we have just one child, so too much care is being taken. So mosquitoes we see very regularly in our practice. So that's important. Mhm. They crave lot of sympathy. This is important in mosquitoes cases. Now this is very important. Desired cheese is also there in mosquitoes. That you have to remember. Desired cheese and hysteria and fainting. And there is aggravation of pain when body becomes cold and great sensitive to cold air. This is also very important. And can tries one cheek red and cold and pale hot in different cheese, right? Uh, Very important part of one Hughes case where he used to carry mosquitoes to give speedy relief and to stop hysterical cases. जब ह्यूजेस कभी केस ट्रीट करने जाता है, used to go for treating cases, used to carry mosquitoes with them and to give speedy relief and hysterical attack. Even mosquitoes has reverse peristalsis. Even we can see narcotic abuse is also in spiders as well as in the deer also. This deer has lot of hysterical problem of cough and one case